filling out your W4 forms. The purpose for the W4 is so that the employer can withhold the correct amount of income tax, whether it's federal or state. When you're filling out these forms, please consider that your personal and financial situation. You can make changes to your W4 throughout the year as needed. The top part of this form has a lot of information. It gives you some descriptions of what each thing means. There is a personal allowances worksheet. This is for your records only to figure out how many deductions, if you have any, that you may need. The biggest important part of this form that we need is the bottom section where your name, middle initial, and last name are filled out, as well as social security number, home address, city, state, and zip code, as well as signature and date. The other portion that is important is the section where you would check either that you're single or married and withhold at a higher single rate. And again, that information is listed above. So you could either check married or married with higher single rate. Higher single rate means that you have more withheld, which means more taxes are taken out of your paycheck. In this case, our friend John has 2 deductions, and he has decided that he also wants an additional $10 every paycheck taken out in the event that he does not have enough taxes. You do not have to fill this out. This can be 0. And the other option is if you're filing as exempt. The only time you would file an exempt is if you have the right to refund all federal income tax because you have no tax liability from the previous year and expect that you will have no tax liability for the coming year. Most people do not file exempt. You can just leave that blank. Again, make sure that you fill out all of the yellow parts of this form. There is also a worksheet on the second page for figuring out what your deductions and adjustments might be. And again, it is quite lengthy and there is a lot of information. So again, you can certainly call us at ARIS to go over this with you. And again, this is for the employees. The second W4 form that we have is for Vermont. Very much like the federal form. Again, first name, middle initial, last name, social security number, how you are filing, single, married but withholding at a single rate, civil union, or civil union but withhold at a single rate. Again, your Vermont withholding allowances. In John's case, this is 2. And he apparently wants to have an additional $5 each paycheck taken out from Vermont state taxes. Make sure that you sign and date. And again, this form can be changed throughout the year. So if at any time that your situation may change, we can make that allowance change. Just fill out a new form and we will get that processed. Thank you.